Your persistent back pain isn't just about aging discs or misaligned bones. It's often rooted in a silent, insidious problem. Your spinal muscles are degenerating, quietly sabotaging your spine's stability and perpetuating your chronic discomfort. This hidden muscular decline creates a vicious cycle that many never recognize, making lasting relief seem impossible. That nagging stiffness, the discomfort after sitting too long, it's something many of us face. While we often focus on discs and bones, there's a crucial, often overlooked player in spinal health: your spinal muscles. Today, we're diving deep into the link between spinal muscle degeneration and chronic pain. You'll learn what these muscles do, how they decline, how your body's attempts to help can actually hurt, and most importantly, concrete steps you can take to empower yourself and break free from this cycle. Imagine your spine as an incredible feat of engineering, a flexible, protective column for your spinal cord, allowing you to bend, twist, and move. This amazing versatility isn't just thanks to bones and discs. It profoundly depends on a dedicated team of muscles working tirelessly, often without you even noticing. These spinal muscles range from deep, small muscles that provide intricate control and stability to larger, more superficial muscles that power big movements. Together, they form an intricate network, like the guy ropes of a tent, keeping everything perfectly balanced. They maintain your posture, facilitate smooth, coordinated movements, and act as dynamic shields, protecting your precious nerves from injury. When this muscular team is firing on all cylinders, your spine feels strong, stable, and ready for action. But like any complex system, it's vulnerable to disruption. The term degeneration might sound alarming, but in spinal muscles, it describes a progressive decline in their functional quality and capacity. It's much more than just feeling a bit weak or out of shape. Spinal muscle degeneration is a nuanced process involving a blend of factors related to your nervous system, how your body moves, and even your metabolism. Imagine those strong, supportive muscles slowly losing their efficiency. This decline can manifest in several ways. Muscles lose their power and endurance, making everyday tasks harder. They become stiff, limiting your range of motion. And most critically, the communication between your brain and muscles becomes less precise, leading to less coordinated movements. When these changes occur, your spine loses its inherent stability, leading to abnormal movement patterns and increased mechanical stress on the very structures the muscles are meant to protect: your vertebrae, discs, and ligaments. Here's where the plot thickens, especially concerning chronic pain. When spinal muscles begin to degenerate and the spine becomes less stable, your body doesn't just give up. Instead, it kicks into a protective mode, employing what we call compensatory mechanisms. These are your body's attempts to protect itself from perceived harm or instability. For example, some muscles might spasm and tighten up, or you might unconsciously stiffen your back to avoid a movement that feels precarious. Initially, these responses are helpful, like your body putting on an emergency brace. However, if these protective patterns persist for too long, they can become maladaptive, meaning they actually start to cause more problems than they solve. Your body might overwork certain muscles while neglecting others, creating imbalances. Constant stiffness prevents the healthy, fluid movement your spine needs, and abnormal movement patterns become ingrained habits, placing new, unnatural stresses on different parts of your spine, joints, and discs. Understanding this complex interplay between spinal muscle degeneration and chronic pain is a powerful first step. The good news is that you have agency. While the process can be complex, there are concrete actions you can take to support your spinal health and potentially break these unhelpful pain cycles. First, always seek professional guidance from a physiotherapist, chiropractor, osteopath, or your doctor to get an accurate assessment and personalized plan. They can identify specific weaknesses and imbalances. Second, engage in targeted exercise that strengthens your deep core and spinal stabilizing muscles, improves flexibility, and restores proper neuromuscular control, as recommended by a professional. Third, practice mindful movement and posture. Become aware of how you sit, stand, lift, and move, making small adjustments to reduce stress. Consistency is key. Regular, gentle movement yields better results than sporadic bursts. Finally, listen to your body. Pain is feedback. If this video helped you understand your back pain better, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health insights. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you want the heat-hot-cold therapy I recommend, the link is in the description. Breaking the cycle of spinal muscle degeneration and chronic pain takes an informed, proactive approach. By understanding this often hidden link, you're better equipped to build a stronger, more stable, and ultimately, a less painful future for your spine. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new health routine.